Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. If you're watching this on my YouTube channel, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this on Instagram, then thank you for following me on Instagram and watching my IGTV. So for today, I have you back in my home and in my kitchen, but we're not actually going to be talking about a recipe today. We're going to be talking about these little guys right here. These are portion control containers, and so just going to talk to you guys about nutrition in general. As you know, I'm an online health and fitness coach, and so I live it, I breathe it, I see it all day, every day. And unfortunately, the numbers for people being overweight and obese are just climbing. And it is a problem in the US. And I know that what we have here with this system can help everybody 100%. Because diets aren't for everybody, right? So what one person does with maybe like keto or Weight Watchers or counting calories, like what might work for this person doesn't work for that person. And unfortunately, the fad diets, they may be good for a short-term type of goal, like you might see results quickly and you might even hit your goal if you're trying to lose weight, but how sustainable are the fad diets? And oftentimes in my experience with my clients is not very often. And so what we're doing here with this program is we just are coming out with a brand new nutritional only program. Now, if you choose to combine it with fitness, even better. But if your focus right now is only just on nutrition, then this would be the perfect program for you. And it's designed to not only educate you on how to eat properly, but it's designed to make it a lifestyle. It's going to be easy to follow. It's not restrictive. It's not a diet. We don't cut out any food groups at all. We're not going to tell you not to eat the cookies and the ice cream or even have that cocktail. All of that's included because it's meant to be a lifestyle change, and we're meant to educate you on how you can do it and how you don't have to get derailed for holidays. You don't have to get derailed when you go out to restaurants to eat. This program is going to teach you how to do it properly and sustain it for your life. So what this nutritional program is going to be actual videos, okay? Like educational videos that you get to watch online. You can stream them, download them, and there's over 30 videos, and we cover everything from why portion control, why it works. We're going to talk about food addiction and sugar addiction, because it's really hard to see the results you want and understand that what you maybe think is healthy or what you're being told is healthy really isn't healthy, and it has a lot of hidden sugars. Like our food nowadays has so much sugar and the processed foods that the average person consumes 152 pounds of sugar in a year. Do you know how much sugar that is? Like, can you imagine 152 pounds of sugar? That's more than I weigh, and like you're putting that in your body, probably not even knowing that you're putting that in your body. For example, I'm gonna put a little picture up here for you. So this review was done from Tropicana, 12 ounces of orange juice versus 12 ounces of Coca-Cola, and they almost have the exact same amount of sugar in them. Like crazy. So you're gonna learn in these videos things like that, and instead of having the glass of orange juice that's loaded with sugar, reach for that whole orange instead and peel that and slice that for yourself and for your children. So you're gonna not only learn how to eat properly, how to make the right choices, how to find out what has the hidden sugars and what doesn't, but also including your whole family into it as well. So included with this program, not only do you get the videos, you're gonna get a workbook to actually take notes during each section. And I have mine open here to my notes about the trends that we're seeing. Unfortunately, over the past 70 years, the overweight and obesity rates have just skyrocketed, and over 70% of adults and 33% of children are overweight or obese. And so it really, really is a problem. And so you're going to get a workbook to actually work through everything. You're going to be asked to produce your why. Why is this important to you? Of course, everybody has a goal, like I want to lose, X number of pounds, but what is your why? Why do you want to do it? Because that why is going to fuel you to keep going when times get hard, because it will get hard. And then you're also going to get a daily logbook, and I've been using it as well, and you're going to actually be tracking not only what you eat, and how you eat throughout the day, but how you're sleeping, what's your energy like, what's your mood like, because your nutrition plays a big role in your life, your lifestyle. It's not just food on a plate, it fuels your body. And then you're also going to get a recipe book, and there's everything in here from, listen to this, breakfast, soups, salads, lunches, appetizers and sides, dinners, snacks, sauces, condiments, and dressings, because again, there's so many hidden sugars and sauces that you buy from the store. How to handle holidays, how to have desserts, and cocktails, because none of that should be off limits, because that's when you start depriving your body and depriving yourself, and then you go off the deep end and you binge, right? It's happened, we've all done it. I've been there. I've been addicted to the processed foods and the sugars. I'll put up a picture of my before I started this journey. I was very overweight, and it affected my mood, my energy, everything, my life. I was a couch potato, and it affected, my marriage and my relationships. Just, health and nutrition is such a big role in how you live your life and how long you're going to be able to live your life. So to break down these containers just very quickly, I wanted to show you. So another thing to mention is I bought these plates a long time ago, and then these are plates that I bought that are newer, and it seems to me that the plate sizes keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and we feel like we need to fill them up with food, and that's not the case at all. So just another tip is always reach for a plate that's actually a normal size plate and not an oversized plate. So looking at these containers on this huge plate, you're like, wow, that doesn't really look like a whole lot of food, right? So let me show you what an actual meal could look like on a regular size plate. So this is going to be your protein. This is your veggie. And of course your carbs. So we don't cut out any food group, guys. Every single food group is important to your body in some way. So you should never be depriving yourself of a food group unless you have a specific reason to do it, unless you're actually preparing for like a trip and you want to drop weight, very quickly. So an event or a wedding, something like that, then we can get into carb cycling, but that's very detailed and it's only for a limited time as well. And look how much food that is. That is a crazy amount of food. Trust me when I say that you are not going to starve. Portion control does not mean starvation. Portion control does not mean diet. It means learn how to eat the right amounts at the right times throughout the day. But if you feel like this is something that could really benefit you on your current journey to educating yourself and bettering yourself as far as nutrition is concerned, then let me know. I would be more than happy to answer any questions you have and help get you started. You can come and join me and my team, as well as my customers in my virtual gym, other customers that are on the same journey as you, so you never have to be alone. Let me help you. Let us support you on this journey, because it's not easy. It's not easy to do alone. So get the tools you need, educate yourself, learn how to do it, and learn how to do it for a lifestyle, not just a temporary fad diet. So I can't wait to hear from you. I would love to answer any questions you have. If you want to only focus on nutrition, we got you. If you want to add fitness, we can help you there too. So I can't wait to hear from you. We'll talk to you guys soon.